Bill Hooper. I'm the head of curriculum here in the secondary school at Matthew Flinders Anglican College. We're a school of about 1,400 students, been on the Sunshine Coast for just over 30 years. We've got a strong tradition of academic success and also of cultural and sporting achievements.
My name is Mark Chaplin. I'm a senior account executive, predominantly in the education K-12 space. So today we're in Matthew Flinders Infinity Centre, which is a brand new build consisting of approximately 18 different spaces, from general learning areas to food laboratories, industrial design and art gallery spaces and art teaching rooms.
So when we planned the Infinity Centre, we really had the whole design thinking process in mind. And so there are spaces within the building for each of the stages in the design process. So when you first walk into the building, you'll walk into exhibition spaces. In those sorts of spaces, technology such as projection technology, where we can project digital works or we can project video, is really strong in those spaces. And in the pitching spaces, obviously, video and audio to support students who are presenting their works. As you come deeper into the space, we move into collaborative and ideation spaces where students are brainstorming ideas using rooms full of whiteboards, but again, the digital technologies can be used to collaborate on ideas, to look at strengths and weaknesses of different ideas and to shortlist, if you like, before they move into the design studios where actual design starts taking place. In a space like the food technology rooms, we've got cameras over demonstration spaces where a teacher can be demonstrating how food is being prepared, and then that's being projected to screens that are above student workstations. So yeah, technology is a really strong enabler of that design process within the building.
Videopro has been working with Matthew Flinders Anglican College for a number of years now. We helped with the design process across all spaces. So I guess the scope with most of the spaces is ease of use. A teacher can come into a room, plug in their laptop, or not plug it in and use wireless technology, but just make it easy and simple to use. We're using Crestron control systems in a lot of room, so it's just switching on via touch panel and everything is automated and ready to go. The user interfaces are very intuitive, so it's very easy for a teacher to come in and send their signal to one display or multiple displays, or split it up so they can send various different images around the room. In some of the classrooms we're using Epson laser projectors. There's a mixture of short throw, we've got some standard throw, and we've also got large venue projectors in the Infinity Gallery, which are blending up onto the wall to allow them to do art installations or dual image projection.
Technology is a really important enabler in this space. It's a beautiful space to work in. It inspires creativity, it inspires critical thinking. There's a real vibe and an energy in this building when students come into it. And we can see that the numbers are increasing in these subjects as well as a result of getting to work in such a wonderful space. The college has had a long and productive relationship with Videopro over many years within the college and across many projects, this one probably being the most elaborate of all of those.
We really enjoyed working with Matthew Flinders Anglican College on the Infinity Centre, and we look forward to working with them on future projects.